In this question, ICIL IR be the current flow through the capacitor, inductor, and resistor. So there is giving the AC admittance. So we solve these questions. There is given to the YC and YL and YR. So we know that the I equal to V into Y. Y means is the admittance. So the IC equal to V into Y से YC निकालेंगे. So there is a angle 90 degree. J means the 90 degrees. So there is giving to the voltage parallel to IC, IL and IR. There is voltage is same in all, and we also find the HV to IC, IL and IR. So the option is the correct options. In this question, consider the electric network. There is giving a some node voltage and want to the current flowing through the 3 ohm resistor as the indicated and the voltage node in the X point. So we calculate the X point voltage. So let's calculate that there is giving the solution 1 ampere in the 3 ohm and we find the voltage there 9 minus V equal to 3 into 1 V equal to 6 volt आ गया and HV हो जाएगा हमारा 6 into 2 plus and 1 into 8 upon 3 so the HV हमारा आ जाएगा 20 upon 3 the इस फॉर्मूले से इजीली हम कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे सो द ऑप्शन वी आर there is in this question option is correct. And next question is there is a M1 is a AC voltage and M2 is a AC emitter. So there is giving the source voltage and we find to the capacitor value. What is the capacitor value in this circuit? See the solution that there is M1 equal to 25 volt and the M2 is equal to 5. So the RLC in the series. So we know that the series are there is a RLC. So firstly we find the impedance. So R plus J XL minus XC mod Z equal to under root R square plus XL minus XC का whole square and we know that the V by I equal to impedance. So 25 upon 5 is the impedance. We solve this. So the 25 equal to 25 plus omega L minus 1 upon omega L C ka whole square. We know that omega is given 200. So the 25 minus 25 equal to 0 हो गया. 0 equal to omega L minus 1 upon omega C ka whole square. So the omega L equal to 1 upon omega C, then C equal to 1 upon omega square into L. Omega की वैल्यू दी हुई है 200 and L की वैल्यू दी है 1 Henry. So we find the solution capacitor value is 25 microfarad. This is the answer of these questions. In this question is the next question giving the Z parameter. So the Z parameter, we find the Z parameter of the circuit. So see this solution there. Firstly, we mid of that is a look like the delta. So convert in the star conversion. So the firstly RA equal to into the 2 into 2 upon 6. So the RA equal to RB equal to RC total equal to 2 by 3. So this circuit you see that 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and in down 2 by 3. So the next is a 2 and 2 by 3 is in series. So the 8 by 3 and the in right side we 8 by 3. So we find the equation V1 equal to 8 by 3 I1 plus 2 by 3 I1 plus I2. So the first equation is the 8, 10 by 3 I1 plus 2 by 3 I2 and second equal to we apply the KCL V2 equal to 8 by 3 I2 plus 2 by 3 I1 plus I2. So the second equation is a 2 by 3 I1 plus 10 by 3 I2. So the Z parameter we know that the V1 equal to Z1 I1 plus Z12 I2 and the V2 equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. So the Z parameter 10 by 3, 2 by 3 and 2 by 3, 10 by 3. The option is the correct option.